In this video, I'm going to walk you through an Ahrefs backlinks analysis tutorial, which is going to be just a quick, simple walkthrough of how to check and analyze backlinks on a website. First thing I like to do is find that website online. Typically, I'll do a search for whatever keyword it is that I'm trying to rank for. Maybe it's for like bathroom remodelers or something, Phoenix, Arizona, just a random example. I'll scroll past all the ads and everything and come down to the actual website listings here. Grab the URL, drop it into the top, click go. And from there, it's going to give us an overview of this full business. But I like to then jump into specifically backlinks here. You just click on the number of backlinks. That takes us to the backlink profile. There's a whole bunch of different items here we can check, like you can even check the anchor text of your backlink profile, referring domains, broken backlinks. Actually, looks like that's a premium feature. But backlinks, this main section here, is usually where people are going to be spending most of their time when they're looking at backlinks. From here, you can export all the backlinks for this website, analyze them in depth, add different filters if you want. Look at lost or new or old backlinks, etc. So hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.